Just landed in Miami. It is humid down here. It is humid. I'm waiting on my brother right now to pick me up, but then we're probably gonna go get something to eat after that because I'm hungry. But still gonna get some good work in. I came down here for a reason. I gotta get better. I'm surprised it only takes you that long because I'm surprised it was long.
Look and then get some pictures in the light. Go higher? Or you want to burn it? Let it pull straight on. Do you mind coming on this side? Got you. For the light. Then she can face that way. One second, I just need to change my lens really quick.
Can you bring your hands up tight in? There you go, like that. A little tighter. A little tighter. Almost like really close. There you go. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god.
And can I get you on over here? Okay. Like face this way, like that. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Oh, cool. I love that.
And then what I want you to do, take the hoodie off, and I want you to put it on. Yep. But keep control of it. Don't just flip it on. I want you to like have it, and I want you to place it on. 1, 2, 3. Take it all the way down. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
I know he confused as fuck. I take a picture? Okay. Okay. Don't laugh at me now. Don't laugh. Like that. Yeah. Like to the side like that. Like, you know how your auntie be looking at you sometimes? Yeah, like that. Cause it's gonna be close too.
Are you serious? Or you just like trying to be funny?
No, I say don't laugh. Yeah, that's good.
Immediately, our security team has been notified. We do not allow voice.
What's up? I didn't just get back. I've been back for a few days now. I've just been busy at work. So I'm finally gonna sit down and go through some of the photos I didn't have my GoPro on for. But I'm just gonna break those photos down for you. One of my favorites from the trip. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so here we go. This photo, this is McLaren 270 here, and this was in the rain. You know, it was a lime green McLaren in Miami in the rain. You know, pretty sick picture. I like it so far. Posted on Instagram. It was pretty good. And this is I think this was Pagani, if I'm not sure, but it was like in a it was like inside of a store in Miami Design District. It was a really cool car. This was a Porsche in like a canopy garage or whatever down there. That was a clean car. So many good looking cars down there. I edited the saturation to bring this yellow more out and added more texture on the trees so it looks more like you're really there, and also clarity on the car, of course. And this car had like some type of reflective like coating, so this was more like a matte and this was more like a normal reflection of a car. And this was the Beacon Hotel. I really liked it because the symmetry of it, the American flag splitting the picture down the middle, and also the girl in the front, you know, some human element to the picture, as well as a Jeep, and then the Florida, so you have the palm trees in the top right here. The next one is just like, you know, simple Florida palm tree picture. Normally I wouldn't take a picture like this, but since I was down there I wanted to shoot different type of things. And you know, this picture reminds me of just like summertime.